Well, artificial intelligence is driven by data sources, and manufacturers are collecting huge amounts of data these days. So what you can do is you can use that data to derive insights like machine processing, efficiencies, things like this. And then you can use artificial intelligence techniques like optimization to find, huge efficiencies, such as 20% cost reductions and things like that.
Brilliant, thank you.
It's a fantastic event. First time I visited the MTC. It's an amazing facility. There's an amazing range of new technologies on the stands outside, and the people here are really interested, genuinely interested in the solutions in artificial intelligence. And I've had some great conversations with some key people in production, so fantastic day, and I look forward to maintaining some of the conversations.